Hey everybody, it's Adam. Got a little show for you today. Hope you like it. Here we go. Got a friend today. His name is Petri. Petri, you want to say hello to everybody?
I don't say hello to anybody. I don't like anyone. I'm a bird of my own feather.
Oh, are you? Interesting. Okay. Well, do you want to help me out with something today?
Fine. What do you want?
Well, I want to teach the kids a little bit about respect and empathy.
What are those things?
Well, respect is basically when you just listen to someone really well. So even if you don't agree, you kind of hear what they're saying.
I don't care about that.
Oh, okay. That wasn't quite respectful, but we can get there. And then empathy is basically being able to feel kind of what somebody else is feeling or kind of understand what they might be going through.
Let's try it.
All right, here we go. I'm going to do something, and I want you to try to guess what I'm feeling.
I got this game, no problem.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
You look like you're gonna throw up.
Yeah, it could be. Or I was in pain, is what I was thinking. Let's try again. I'll try a different one.
Oh, that one's for sure. That one is you're going swimming.
No. Let me try that one again. Look at my face and my mouth, and it might give you a better clue.
Okay. Oh, you're about ready to have a popsicle.
No. We're not going to have a pops.
Your mouth was open.
I know, but it's more of a feeling, an emotion. I'll give you a hint. It's something where it's like my birthday's coming up, and I don't know what I'm going to get, so then I'm...
Oh, you're surprised!
Yes, thank you. Surprised. Popsicle was not even close to the right answer. Let me do 2 more and see if that catches on.
Okay, I'm getting it.
How about this one?
You're smiling for the camera!
I'm glad you noticed my smile, but there's an emotion attached to it. Let's look again.
Oh, yeah, you're going to the dentist!
No, I'm not going to the dentist. Look at my face for an emotion. I'm going to give you 2 of them to choose from. Am I sad or happy?
Oh, okay, I'll pay attention. Oh, it's happy. I'm sorry I was so fast at catching on to that.
That's all right. I'll do 1 more, and then hopefully we'll end for today.
All right, here we go. Oh, you swallowed an acorn!
No, I did not swallow an acorn. It's an emotion.
Oh, yeah, so do it one more time. Oh, yeah, you got the cough, that COVID thing, don't you?
I do not have the COVID thing.
Then do it one more time.
All right.
Oh, he's sad, ladies and gentlemen. He's so sad.
You got it. It is sad. Nice work. All right, we're done for the day. Petri, thanks for helping me out. You were interesting today, to say the least. Thanks for learning about a little bit about empathy and respect.
Oh, no respect to you. You're not even a bird.
I know. Thanks, everybody. We'll try again a different time.
Or so you think.